All right, guys. Good morning. I always look up at the mic. I gotta learn how to vlog, I guess. So, good morning. We are running around here in Tamil Nadu. I'm gonna explain where Tamil Nadu is, but it's an absolutely wonderful region. If you guys saw me at Taipu Sam earlier this year, this is where that faith is based. So we are actually just doing a half day today because we have a long travel day tomorrow. So let's go. In Mahabalipuram, and this is Pacha Rathas, and it took about 1,400 years ago, not took about, but 1,400 years ago, they created this entire complex from one piece of rock, 2,000 carvers. Look at the detail. And it was actually excavated again in 1921 by the British, but then the Indian government in the 50s restored it, and now it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Giving Vishnu, Parvati, all of them. There are two unfinished. It was a cave tried to start it. They were not completed somehow. Another side is Vishnu reclining position. Vishnu is a god.
All right, guys. Well, everything around us is absolutely beautiful. The intricate caves, the amazing temples, the carvings. But of course, there's got to be something more modern for me to climb. But before that happens, check out the view from here. Here we go. Oops. I'm leaving. Alright, look how narrow these stairs are. Look at that's what happens when you hang out with Instagrammers and YouTubers. Alright. These are narrow stairs too. And they're a little bit wet, so you gotta be careful because you might fall. What's it? Is it more stairs? Come on. Come on. Check it out. Alright, from here, it gets a lot more vertical. Alright, so let's see. This is basically just a ladder. And it's rubberized, see? So it's super slick. Super slick. Check out this view. The marshes are really high because it's been raining for the past couple days. Normally, that's relatively clear. And you actually could see the single carving.
Same size, same height.
Here, you can actually see the cave temple is actually a shape. It looks like an elephant. I'm gonna ask him what it is, but it looks just like an elephant from up here. Here in the distance, and zoom a doom. There's the Indian Ocean. And the beach. The beach. And this is the Ganesh temple, and it's monolithic. And it was carved from one piece of stone. People come here and You give an offer.
What do you do when you do?
And we offer them to take care about us. That is belief we are offered to God. This is the name of.
And then over here, it's this one coming through. He'll get here eventually. What's up? Always impressive, the balancing rock here. You guys know the perspective shot. All right, you guys know I have a great respect for craftsmen, for mastery. Look at this beautiful craftsmanship back here. That is amazing work.
Going back, don't come back here.
All right, so I wanted to talk about like the stares that you're going to get when you're here, and this is a common conversation within the African American community. Like when we travel to Asia and places like China, people always take pictures of us or want to take pictures with us. And it's not too different in India. You see it a lot in India. You have to realize that a lot of the people that you interact with, especially here in the South, that doesn't have as big tourist groups as say Johor, Jaipur, New Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore. They don't see a lot of us, so it's kind of a giraffe walking around, so to speak, especially when you're a person of color, clearly an American. You kind of stand out, so don't be offended by it. It's a perfect time to kind of engage and interact with locals in a curious and meaningful way and get yourself some selfies. Go over to the temple. I wanted to show you guys this beautiful beach in the Indian Ocean. Yeah, it was super rainy yesterday, but today it's a lot more clear. It's still a little cloudy. Check it out. Hopefully we can stop over a little bit later. Zoom in a bit. Beautiful. Where you have the fishing boats, you can see the fishing boats over there. So right here is a temple. So there were 7 temples here, and 6 of them, 600 years ago, they went underwater. But due to erosion and us being humans, they're finally coming back out of the water. And then over here, there's another one. Let me see if I can let's see, where are you? It's hiding in the waves. Right about there. That's another one. And there's supposed to be several more. Hold on, let me zoom. All right, cool. So there are actually 6 that are underwater, and then they have this one here that's not underwater anymore. But when the tsunami hit, the water pushed all the way up from the ocean, all the way up to there, like the parking area. And here is the one that's not underwater. But you guys can see the impact that these storms have. They had to create these drainage systems. Temple here is dedicated to Shiva and Vishnu. And it's the one of the 7 that's been above water, excuse me, for a relatively long time. But the tsunami, it was also underwater. Those waters clearly receded. Cultural exchange.
Thank
Always
you.
a beautiful thing.
We say Nandri. Nandri. It's thank you.
Alright guys, so it's lunchtime. I haven't showed you guys a lot of food in this video. I don't think I've shown you any food in these vlogs. Follow me on Instagram. That's where you're gonna get to see all the food. But as you guys can see, I've got my bindi. They're bringing out the banana leaves, and we're gonna be eating with our hands in the traditional way, having a traditional Tamil Nadu lunch. So this is a good friend. This is a good friend.
I'm just trying to explain why we are doing this.
Appreciate it, brother.
We start our service today with salt.
Salt,
Salt,
mango pickle,
mango pickle,
garlic pickle.
and garlic potato.
Garlic pickle.
Pickle, garlic pickle. Perfect.
This is Indian sweet. It's a milk sweet. It's called barfi.
Buffy.
Yeah.
Here?
It's a banana food bada.
Banana flour fritters is called vada.
Boda.
Vada. B-A-D-A. Vada.
Bada.
Coconut chutney.
Oh, coconut chutney. That's my favorite. I love coconut chutney.
Yeah, tomato. Thank you.
Batter fried raw banana.
Butterfly, raw
Banana, yeah. This is mild spicy, not too spicy.
but it's okay. Spicy's okay. And what is this here?
This is a idiyappam called. It's a rice noodle. This is vegetable stew.
Okay.
Banana tree stem.
Alright. Banana
Tree and stem.
dream jam. Okay.
Carrot and
Stem
corn.
of the banana.
Carrot and potato.
This is
Bindi, it's okra.
Okra. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's a lentil and the spinach.
Lentils.
It's
Perfect.
called kirakutu.
Kirakuta. And real potato chips.
Potato, yeah.
Or
Potato
banana
chips.
Oh, actually potato chips.
Potato
Literally.
It's papadum.
Papadum. Yeah.
It has it.
There's some dal powder
Dal powder
right here.
and ghee.
And delicious ghee.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Chopping with the rice.
Oh yeah.
Just you can mash with the finger.
And
Fresh
some
yogurt.
Fresh yogurt. Perfect. Coming in.
Dal.
Look at that.
Pepper water.
Oh yeah.
South Indian pepper water, sir.
All right, guys. So here you're gonna be eating with your hands. So you get in here. Good technique. Everything is so good, so flavorful. Try the banana chips. And I don't know what it is, but eating with your fingers makes everything taste better. I don't know. Papadum. All right, guys. I gotta put this camera down and eat this food. This is the aftermath. I didn't finish the vegetables, but the okra here was my favorite. I got extra okra. It was delicious. And also this the pickled garlic right here. It was spicy, but I live in Thailand, so it was okay. Oh, excuse me. Ooh, I'm still eating. And what else was really good? I don't know. Everything was really good. The papadum was dope. So yeah, it's the aftermath. So perfect. So this is an Indian dessert, vermicelli noodles. It's kind of a yogurt with cashews and some spices, obviously banana, and then you got yogurt as well. Oh, and this is the rose water they give you to wash your hands afterwards. Yeah, my turn. Do me. Ooh. Nice. Okay, so we've actually come to another resort to do a cooking demo and dinner here with a celebrity chef here, and it might seem like we just fast forwarded. It's because we had basically 5 hours this afternoon off, just kind of relaxing. Some people went to another village. Some people got massages. Some people slept. Some people went to the gym. But yeah, this kind of tour definitely needs built in those small nuggets of relaxation because it's actually work. People really forget this is actually our job. So photographing, videography, hosting, learning the entire time is a little bit exhausting, but it's worth every single minute.
Demonstration for you, and you're gonna have his specials over dinner. So that's the idea. Welcome.
Now, the Indian food mostly, I think outside of India has been Northern Indian for a long time. So which is your naan and your butter chicken and very Mughlai food, which is very heavy in cream and yogurt and milder. It's not as spicy, it's not as hot. We may use as many spices, not as many, but a lot. But in the south, it's a lot lighter. We don't use dairy or cream or milk in our food. We actually use more coconut milk. We may use a lot of ghee, but we use a lot of coconut milk, coconut oil. So the South Indian, especially Tamil Nadu and Kerala, it's very similar. And as we go up to Karnataka and even Andhra Pradesh, so it's all of that is from the south, and it's quite a marked difference.
The chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder is less on the spice level, more on the color. So we like to have very red color dish. So we are using this Kashmiri chili powder. This is turmeric. This is ginger and garlic paste. We have some lime juice, and then we have salt. To make it a little more spicier, we have chili powder, which is low on color but high on flavor. But I'm not going to use this today because of the fact that I am not sure whether the spice level will be the same for everybody. And then we have, to bind it, we have egg and refined flour.
Why is this like a chewing gum?
It is.
It's like a...
So it's the gluten in there that stretches it. Putting it in the thumb. Okay, we're gonna take it out and we're gonna lift it. No? This one is leading, okay? This hand is down, it's leading. Okay, so this is up. So watch first, okay? So this hand is leading and it's just flipping it. This hand is leading and it's flipping it.
Okay.
Yeah, don't drop it. It's okay, you'll get it. Let that go. Okay, do that and now you swirl it.
Around it,
Yeah. Done your first paratha. Anybody else want to try?
Somebody's got to try it. This is fun.